These Colt M4 rifles are the kind of weapons that have been coming into Papua New Guinea in recent years. These are military weapons, standard issue for some special forces, including the US Navy SEALs. Papua New Guinea customs and police officers are now having a difficult time not only tracking down the illegal imports, but also penalizing those responsible for the illegal imports. Much of the difficulty stems from old gun laws that carry penalties that provide no deterrence for potential gun smugglers.
Nowadays, a lot of people have money on them, so this claim no deterrent. In prison terms, I'll give them, it ranges from 6 months to 2 years. That's not enough.
The Papua New Guinea Firearms Act of 1978 specifies penalties of no more than 5 years and fines of up to 200 kina. The head of the Police Criminal Investigations Directorate, Yamasombi, has been trying to convince key government agencies and legislators to amend the gun laws to reflect the changing PNG landscape.
Gun-related offences leads to other offences like drugs, prostitution, pornography, money laundering, and to a greater extent, terrorism.
He maintains the old gun laws do very little to help police deal with security issues in Papua New Guinea. In recent investigations, police and customs officers involved have opted to charge offenders using provisions in the Customs Act, which deliver relatively tougher penalties. Brian Lillywhite, the customs officer responsible for all incoming weapons, says there's a lot of military-type weapons coming through seemingly legitimate channels.
We're getting some very sophisticated weapons, weapons that should be really in the arms of our law enforcement, our police or our defense force, but some are in the arms of, in the hands of civilians, and that's a major worry.
From their investigations, they've found weapons like Russian-made AK-47s in the hands of security companies, fully licensed in Papua New Guinea, even though weapons like that aren't allowed to be owned by civilian organizations. Scott Waide, National MTV News, Lae.